हेलो गाइस, आज हम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड पॉलिटी का पार्ट 2 देखेंगे। ठीक है, तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, पार्ट 2। ठीक है, ठीक। वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इलेक्टेड बाय विच इज इलेक्टेड बाय द मेंबर ऑफ बोथ द हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट। ठीक है, a resolution of removing vice president of India can be moved in which is moved in Rajya Sabha alone। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। द वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज इलेक्टेड बाय द मेंबर ऑफ विच इज लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा। ठीक है, अब देखते हैं हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड टू पब्लिक अकाउंट कम्युनिटी फ्रॉम द लोकसभा। करेक्ट आंसर इज द which is the 15th. Who among the following the speaker of the 17th Lok Sabha, which is the Om Birla। ठीक है, which of the following are the exclusive power of the Lok Sabha। Correct answer to introduce the money bill, to rectify the declaration of emergency, to pass a motion of no confidence against the council of ministers, to impeach against the president। Hence one and third statement is correct। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। इफ एनी क्वेश्चन अराइजेस वेदर अ बिल इज टू will or not whose decision not of the following shall be final। Hence correct decision of the speaker of the Lok Sabha। Lokpal bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha for the first time in the year which is in 1968। The quorum of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which is the 1/10 of the total membership। The joint sitting of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha was summoned by which is summoned by the president। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct supervision of the Lok Sabha Speaker। The Speaker can ask a member of House to stop speaking and let another mark speak। This is called yielding the floor। Under the Constitution, how many persons can nominated by Rajya Sabha by the President, which is 12? The Rajya Sabha can be maximum member strength of which is 250। Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has been elected as a member of Rajya Sabha from the Assam। One-third member of Council of State retired every 2 years। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। MP Jay Bachchan was disqualified and member of Rajya Sabha on the ground that held on office of profit as chairperson of which is the Uttar Pradesh Field Development Council। Which one of the following is the correct sequence of state in the descending order regarding number of seat allotted to them in Rajya Sabha। ठीक है, तो ये आपका गलत है क्योंकि उत्तर प्रदेश में 31 सीट है, बिहार 22 और महाराष्ट्र 19, तमिलनाडु में 18, तो इसलिए कोई विकल्प सही नहीं है। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिस्ट्रिक्ट द साइज ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री विच इज इन द करेक्ट आंसर द अमेंडमेंट 91। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। The provision that the total number of in the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total number of member of the House of People has been made by which is made by 91th Constitution Amendment Act 2003 Section 2। Who among us the following was addressed the Prime Minister as elected March in turn? Vote of account permit the Union government to correct answer withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India for a specific period। The chairman of which of the committees generally from the opposition party? Public Accounts Committee। In which year of Citizenship Amendment Bill was passed by Parliament Bill 2019? Okay. Which amendment of India Constitution provides the right to education, which is 86th amendment। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। इन इंडिया द वोटिंग एज वाज लोअर्ड फ्रॉम 21 to 18 ईयर बाय विच ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट बाय 61st। ठीक है, बाय विच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट पार्ट 9B वाज एडेड इन द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विच इज 97th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट। हाउ मेनी सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन इन द पंचायत बाय द 73 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमेंडमेंट 1/3 सीट। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Which constitution amendment puts a legal check on defection 52 and 91 constitution amendment। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ठीक, which of the following two words are added to the preamble of the Constitution of India by the 42th Constitution Amendment Act, which is the socialist and secular? Before 42nd constitutional amendment under the article of Indian Constitution, which is the Article 25, second. ठीक है, in accordance with the order of precedence, select the correct sequence in the descending order of the precedence of for the following, which is the governor of state within their respective chief justice of India, chief minister of state within the respective state, chief election commission. ये A option is correct. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ठीक है, which article of constitution deal with the power of governance to promulgate to ordinance, which is a article 213. which of the following state has a no legislative council? तो इसमें कोई आंसर सही नहीं है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Under which one of the following article Indian constitution provision by creation or abolition of legislative council in state are made, which is article 169. Judiciary देखते हैं. Under which article of the Constitution of India the President can seek advice from the Supreme Court of India, article 143. Which article of Indian Constitution has provision regarding original judiciary section of the Supreme Court, which is article 131. Which of the following article give provision that law of declaration of Supreme Court shall be binding on the all court within the territory of India, which is article 141. Who was the first female judge of the High Judiciary in India, which is Leela Seth. Who appoints the acting Chief Justice of India, which is President of India. Which of the following is not an office of the profile under the Indian Constitution, which is Judge of the Supreme Court. In which one of the following court there is a provision of appointment of ad hoc judge, which is the Supreme Court. Who among the following is the guardian of the Indian Constitution and the protector of the fundamental rights of the citizen, with the judiciary? Assertion reasoning. The scope of judiciary view limited in India. Reason Indian Constitution a bag of borrowing. Hence both statement is correct, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ठीक है, hence B option is correct. ठीक है, Supreme Court convicted Zahir Sheikh, the main witness of the Best Baker case, for which is for changing her version before the court, and the commitment is contempt. Wrongful assumption of public office can be corrected by writ of which is the qui warrant. Warranto. The specific principle on which Panchayati Raj setup function is called, which is the democratic decentralization. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India provide the village panchayat, with article 40? In which year of the Election Commission of India become a multi-member body, which is in 1989? Which article is related to Election Commission of India, which is article 324? ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Which one of the following article of the Constitution provide that superintendence, direction and control of elections shall be vested in Election Commission, which is article 324? Which part of the Indian Constitution mention about the election and electoral process, which is 15th? Who is the chairperson of 15th Finance Commission, which is N.K. Singh? The Finance Commission consisted by Government of India in January 2013, which is the 14th Finance Commission. The Controller and Auditor General of India is appointed as President of India. Which one of the following article of the Constitution provide for the appointment of Controller and Auditor General India? Which correct answer is the article 148. Who appoint the member of State Public Service Commission, which is Governor? First backward class commission was headed by which Kaka Kelkar. Next question देखते हैं. Who among the following the chairperson of GST Council, which is Union Finance Minister? The maximum period of planned holiday in India at a time was, which is 3 years. Which of the following is not a constitutional organ, which is the Planning Commission? Election Commission, Financial Commission, Inter-State Council. ये क्या है? Constitutional organ है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. Who is the chairman of National Development? Correct option is the Prime Minister. Okay. Joint meeting of two or more zonal council are presided over which of the following, which is the Home Minister? A Right to Information Act was enacted in the year which is 2005. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन, विच इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज द, ये इसमें से देखिए प्रश्नकाल के दौरान प्रयुक्त चारों विकल्प सही थे, चारों विकल्प से, परंतु वर्तमान संशोधन 2019 के अनुसार मानवाधिकार आयोग के अध्यक्ष पद की नियुक्ति होते सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने मुख्य न्यायाधीश अथवा सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का कोई न्यायाधीश भूत एवं अवकाश प्राप्त पात्र होगा। साथ ही सेवा शर्तों में भी परिवर्तन किया गया। वर्तमान संशोधन के अधिनियम अध्यक्ष एवं सदस्यों के कार्यकाल 3 वर्ष अथवा 70 वर्ष की आयु जो भी पहले हो तक होगा। इन इंडियन नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमीशन वाज फाउंड इन द ईयर विच इज 1993 AD। ठीक है। द यूनाइटेड प्रोग्रेसिव अलायंस इन द अलायंस ऑफ RJD एंड NCP, कांग्रेस प्लस मुस्लिम लीग, झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा, DMK MDK, ठीक है, और द समाजवादी पार्टी एंड BSS। तो इसमें भी आपको बहुत सारी पार्टी हैं जो ये सब है, ठीक है, INC, DMK, RJD, JDS, NCP, NC, राष्ट्रीय लोक समता पार्टी, लेफ्ट पार्टी, केरल कांग्रेस, जेबल, हिंदुस्तान आवाम मोर्चा, ठीक है, इसका भी कोई आंसर नहीं है। द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक्ट वाज पास्ड इन द ईयर विच इज 1955। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। ठीक है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ गुड गवर्नेंस, विच इज द arbitrariness। ठीक है, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ USA इलेक्टेड आफ्टर 4 years। Who among the following held the office of the chief minister for the longest time, which is the Jyoti Basu। The term office of profit can be defined by, which is defined by Supreme Court। ठीक है, what is the maximum number of votes votes which an electronic voting machine can record, which is a 3840। Through which constitutional amendment chapter 9 was added to the Indian Constitution, which is 73rd। ठीक है, under which article of Indian Constitution नीति आयोग was formed, which is the correct answer none of the art। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड पॉलिटी का MCQ PYQ मीन्स खत्म होता है। ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल।